Maybe you've forgotten how steady you really are. Not the kind of strength that pushes or proves anything. The quiet kind that doesn't need to. It's been here all along, beneath every moment of doubt, waiting for you to stop pretending to be smaller than you are. Today, you're not learning confidence. You're remembering it. Find a place where your body can settle, sitting, lying down, whatever feels easy. Let gravity meet you, the way the ground always has. You don't have to hold yourself up. The world is doing that already. Let the breath come and go however it wants. You don't need to control it, count it, or deepen it. Each inhale reminds you of presence. Each exhale lets you return to it. Feel the space inside your chest. Not armor, just openness. The quiet rhythm of the heartbeat, steady beneath your hand. That rhythm is older than your fear, older than your name. Notice your spine, long and calm. It doesn't strain to be strong. It simply stands, effortless and awake. That's how stillness holds power, without tension, without noise. Thoughts may drift through, old doubts, familiar stories. Let them move the way clouds cross a clear sky. You don't have to believe or fight them. They fade the moment you stop chasing. Strength isn't tightness. It's the ease that stays open. Real power doesn't resist life. It allows it. Take one slow, steady breath. Let it fill the ribs, widen the back, soften the edges. That expansion is remembrance. And when you exhale, feel yourself ease into peace again. Remember a small moment when you felt quietly sure, helping someone, moving through chaos with calm. That grounded certainty lives here too, untouched by effort. You don't need to find it, you just stop leaving it. Now rest here for a while. No need for words or definition, just the feeling that remains when everything else quiets. This is who you are when nothing extra is added, being instead of doing. Take a deeper breath. Let it move through you like light through water, clearing space without force. Notice how awareness is still here beneath it all. You didn't lose it. You brought it with you. When you're ready, let small movement return. Open your eyes gently. The world looks the same, but maybe it feels different. Softer, wider, quieter. That's what remembering yourself feels like. Carry that calm certainty into whatever comes next. No need to hold it. It holds you. You can return to it any time, simply by noticing you never left.